Hey everyone, thanks for checking in today. Just excuse the background noise. I am currently cutting something with my Glowforge. I've been a little busy today crafting and catching up on some of my orders. I have been kind of down and out the last couple of weeks, so back on my feet now and catching up. I wanted to talk to you about cleaning your Glowforge. These cleaning wipes are amazing, and I can link down in the comments exactly where I get this and the exact link on the best deal where I get them from. So I just wanted to show you what they kind of look like here. And cleaning your Glowforge is so important to continue with the maintenance. Just like anything else, just like if you would go to get your car for an oil change, that's the kind of maintenance that you need for your car to continue in making it run smooth. And this, making sure that you clean it, especially if you cut a lot of MDF. MDF is very dirty, and those debris kind of cut and go everywhere and get into your lenses and into like small creases in your machines. So you have to make sure that you are cleaning. I think they say, I can't remember how many hours exactly they say to clean it, but I typically do every 2 to 3 weeks on average, depending on how much I use it. I do use my machine almost every day. So these are how the wipes look. They are, I believe I paid like $13.99 or something. Again, I will link it down below. Please excuse me if I am a little off, but you get 210 of these little wipes, and they're perfect little wipes. I just use one per cleaning, so this box will last me literally forever. You can use them on screens, devices, anything like that. Sunglasses, camera lenses if you're a photographer. I also use these on my camera as well. So these are perfect. Always have these on hand if you do have a Glowforge. And if you want to know exactly how to clean your Glowforge, I can do a step-by-step video. Just stay tuned for that, and I will absolutely put one up for you guys.